Hello students, again welcome to math class. Today we are going to start our exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 area related to circles. Question number 1. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if angle of sector is 60 degree. Here angle is given, that is 60 degree, and radius is 6 centimeter, and we have to find the area of sector. Simple question. Area of sector, we all know that it is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 60 upon 360, 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6, and it is 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r is given to us. 22 centimeter. Now we can find the radius. So radius will be 7 by 2 into 22 by 22. So therefore radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we can find the area of quadrant. So area of quadrant is equal to pi r square by 4, and it will be 22 upon 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 1 by 4, and this will be 77 by 8 centimeter square. Question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. It means radius is 14 centimeter, and we have to find the area swept by the clock in 5 minutes. You can draw the figure of a clock here like this. It means we have to find the area swept in 5 minutes. So this is the area and it is forming a sector. So it means indirectly we have to find the area of a sector. But no central angle is given here. For this what we have to do, first of all we have to find this one angle. And we all know that a minute hands जो है completes one round of the clock in 60 मिनट. जो मिनट हैंड है वो पूरी एक क्लॉक का एक राउंड लगाने में 60 मिनट लेती है, एंड कंप्लीट एंगल इज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. तो देयरफॉर angle made by clock hand in 1 minute, it will be 360 by 60, that will be of 6 degree. But हमें एंगल फाइंड करना है in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes angle will be, you can name as angle AOB. This will be 5 into 6, it means 30 degree. So central angle is 30. So therefore area swept is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now theta is 30 upon 360 and value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 14 into 14. And it will be 154 by 3 centimeter square. Next, question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. Subtend a right angle, meaning theta is 90 degree. At the center, find the area of corresponding minor segment. Here, theta is 90. So, area of minor segment. For minor segment, angle is less than 180. And so, we have to use 90. And what is the formula to find the area of segment? Theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square by 2 sine theta. Now theta is 90 upon 360, 22 upon 7. Sorry, value for pi is given here, that we have to use 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 10 into 10 by 2 and sine 90. And you were told that sine 90 is 1. So it will be 157 by 2 minus 50, and sine 90 is 1. So it can be written as 78.5 minus 50, and it will be 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. Now we have to find the area of major sector. Area of major sector. So first of all, we have to find the angle for major sector. See in figure, the angle which is given to us is this one angle. And we need this one angle to find the area of major sector. And we already know that for the major sector, the angle is greater than 180 degree. So to find the area of major sector, theta will be equal to 360 minus 90. That means we have to take angle is equal to 270 degree and radius again 10 centimeter. There will be no change in radius. So therefore it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. And this will be 270 by 360 into 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10. And we can write it as here we have to take pi is equal to 3.14. So it can be written as 3 into 25 into we can multiply it to find the area. So 157 into 3 will be 471 by 2 centimeter square, or we can write it as 285.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of major sector. If you are asked to find the area of minor sector, then central angle will be of 90 degree. Question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Now the radius is 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree, meaning theta is of 60 degree. At the center, find the length of the arc. Now we have to find the length of arc. So therefore, length of arc is equal to Again the formula we know for this, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now theta is 60 upon 360, 2 pi is 22 by 7 and r is 21. This will be 22 centimeter. So this was part 1. In part 2, we have to find area of sector formed by this arc, meaning same angle हमारा रहेगा theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now theta is 60 upon 360, 22 by 7 and radius is 21 into 21. And it will be 231 centimeter square. In third part, we have to find the area of segment. Area of segment. So again, theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square by 2 sin theta. Now this is the area of sector and it is already calculated. So we can directly write here 231 minus r square 21 square by 2 and sin theta. Theta is 60. It means sin 60. It will be 231 minus 441 by 2 and value of sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. Now value for root 3 is not given in this question. So, we will put the value for root 3 ourselves. 1.73 by 4. Or you can take it as, yes. So when we multiply it, we will get 190.95. After dividing by 4, we will get this one value. And when we subtract it from this, we get 40.05 centimeter square. So this is the area of segment. Question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So radius is 15 centimeter and central angle theta is 60 degree. So 60 degree will be used for minor segment and for major segment we will find the angle. Now area of minor segment. Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square by 2 sin theta. So it will be theta upon 360 and value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by 15 into 15 minus 15 into 15 by 2 into under root 3 by 2. And it can be written as, so this is the area for the minor segment, that is 20.44 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of major segment. Now if I find the angle for major segment, it will be 300 degree, but value of sin 300 is not given to us. So we have to go to another way. So we can find the area of major segment by area of circle माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट, मीनिंग कंप्लीट सर्कल में से अगर हम माइनर सेगमेंट के एरिया को माइनस कर दें, वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ द मेजर सेगमेंट. So it will be pi r square and this minor segment area is 20.44 centimeter square. Now it will be, we have to take pi 3.14 into 15 into 15. And now we will calculate this value and it will be 706.5 minus 20.44, and when we subtract this value we will get 686.06 centimeter square. So this is the area of major segment. Let us start next question. Question number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Now angle is of 120 degree. Here radius is 12 centimeter, theta is 120 degree, and we have to find the area of segment. Area of segment is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square by 2 sin theta. 120 upon 360 into pi is 3.14 and radius is 12 into 12 minus 12 into 12 by 2 sin 120. Students, you will remember that sin 120 degree is equal to sin 60 degree. So its value will be under root 3 by 2. This year this question is deducted, but you can memorize that sin 120 is equal to sin 60 degree. So we can multiply it. 72 into under root 3 by 2. Value for root 3 is given to us and we can find the value of this one part by multiplying these. So the area for the segment will be 150.72 minus 62.28. It will be 88.44 centimeter square. So this is the area of segment.